Amazing possibilities are emerging across our industrial world, where the Internet of Things is enabling us to transform our utilities, our road and rail transportation systems, our oil and gas infrastructures, and much more. The Cisco Catalyst IR8300 Rugged Series router delivers the secure connectivity and manageability you need to realize those possibilities, making it the ideal choice for your mission-critical industrial requirements at the edge. What makes it an ideal choice? It's the first all-in-one ruggedized platform, combining powerful routing, integrated switching, precision timing, edge compute, and advanced security to simplify manageability while reducing space, cooling needs, and total cost of ownership. And that's key in environments where space is limited. Security is essential, and the number of connected devices continues to grow. The platform supports Cisco's CyberVision, providing visibility into everything connected, enabling you to tap into Cisco's security features to build and automatically enforce security policies, use network segmentation to create a zero-trust environment to prevent unauthorized connections, and take advantage of threat intelligence, detection, and defense to protect against advanced attacks. It all adds up to ensure your critical systems are secure across your end-to-end infrastructure. And Cisco Manageability Solutions lets you easily unite and manage your entire IT and OT edge. Integrated compute means you can also run high-value applications and services at the edge. The IR8300 is also ruggedized to operate reliably in the harshest conditions, and its modular design enables you to easily upgrade to new WAN connectivity options such as 5G and FirstNet. Best of all, the IR8300 delivers the performance, scalability, flexibility, and security you need for today and the future. Are you ready to transform your industrial edge locations? Discover the advantages of Cisco Catalyst IR8300 Rugged Series routers.